Hello YouTube, and today we're at a Canadian Tire gas station with a summer nice touchless car wash. Someone's going through the dryers right now. We got the ultimate wash. Okay, it says to enter the code. So the code is 77405. Okay, we can head into the wash. And as you can see, oh, it stopped for a minute. It looks like we have a Belanger Factor Rapid Wash. We can inbound the carriage under local pen blasters using our Belanger blasters. This is going to be my first half for Belanger Factor system. There we go. And we can, whoa, it says back up back there. So we're going to get our pre-soak. Really good coverage. Okay, so we're doing an empty pass. We're getting another code in that pre-soak. It's really interesting that it did an empty pass and it's doing another pre-soak again. Another good coverage as well. Okay, so, and we're doing another empty pass. We're going to the front. Not sure what it's doing. We can name Tri-Foam. Two Tri-Foams, a little bit of a good coverage, not good at the sides. Then we get it in high power rinse. Okay, we're going to do on the right. It is really interesting that it switches to one arm at a time instead of using two arms. Okay, we're done with the high power rinse. Not sure what we will get anything. We're getting a weather guard now from the back. So we are going to go to the front. Doing a fast pass on that, a good coverage. Now we can in clear coat protective. Huh? Then we can go ahead through the dryers. We have Belanger air tenant dryers here, so let's see if they do a great job. We have 60 seconds of dryer time. The dryers are leaving a little bit of water on the windshield. I wonder if this Belanger system is leaving them, it's left there for a long time, because it looks really old to me. Okay, 10 seconds to go. Well, that's fucking the entire gas station here in Uxbridge. So, if you're wondering, the top wash is $10. We got it for $5 because it is a Friday car wash bash show. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you on the next one. Have a wonderful day.